Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not responding on Windows 8. First, let's start with some quick and easy solutions. A stable internet connection is crucial, so check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Sometimes, a simple restart of Roblox or your entire computer can resolve temporary glitches. Also, make sure your Windows 8 system has all the latest updates installed, as these often include important bug fixes. Finally, close any other programs running in the background that might be using up valuable system resources. If the initial steps don't work, clearing your Roblox cache is a great next step. These temporary files can sometimes become corrupted, causing issues. You'll find them in your app data folder. If that still doesn't help, a fresh start is often best. Completely uninstall Roblox from your system, then download and reinstall the newest version from the official website. Also, double-check that your firewall or antivirus software isn't mistakenly preventing Roblox from running properly. Outdated graphics drivers are a common culprit for performance problems. Make sure your display drivers are fully updated to ensure smooth gameplay. Since we're on Windows 8, sometimes running Roblox in compatibility mode for an earlier Windows version, like Windows 7, can resolve issues. If your computer struggles, try lowering Roblox's in-game graphics settings. Always confirm your system meets the minimum specifications for Roblox to run effectively. For more persistent problems, we can delve into advanced solutions. Running the System File Checker, or SFC, can help repair corrupted Windows system files that might be affecting Roblox. A clean boot can isolate software conflicts by starting Windows with only essential programs. If all else fails, sometimes a new Windows user profile can resolve deep-seated issues. And remember, the Roblox support team is always there to provide further assistance if you've tried everything.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.